Hello guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to reset your password in OkCupid. Now first of all you need to open your web browser and type in okcupid.com, and after that it will send you to this web page. Now click on sign in and click on forget password. Now type in the user or type in the email you are using for your OkCupid account. And hit reset password, and after a while check your email and it will send you a verification email as you can see here, and click on reset password. Now wait for a while. It will send you to this page and type your new password. Confirm your new password and hit save. Now you have successfully reset your password in Cupid. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.